Good morning, everyone. The today topic is safety in the fertilizer industry. So, fertilizer industry is very important part and role for our environmental and our production of the your rice and this agriculture area. So, let's start the safety in fertilizer industry. So, in safety in fertilizer industry, the introduction: what is the fertilizer, global production and consumption of the fertilizer, classification of fertilizer, raw material, manufacturing process, health hazard at the worker, safety measure, medical surveillance, and environmental effect for the this due to fertilizer industry. So the introduction: the India is the third large producer of the consumer of the fertilizer in the world. Okay, so India is the third largest producer of the consumer of the fertilizer industry. So the total production of the fertilizer in India 206.5 metric ton per year. So this is the introduction, small introduction of the this fertilizer industry. So what is the fertilizer? A fertilizer is any material of the natural or the synthetic origin. Okay, so is the natural and synthetic origin to supply one or more plant the nutrition is essential to the work and the growth of the your plant. Okay, so this is the fertilizer is basically root of the growth. Okay, fertilizer is the root of the growth process. So fertilizer, that means it is a production high. The next point is the global production and consumer of the fertilizer. So this is the C. India is the third largest. See, this is India is the third largest production producer of the this fertilizer industry. The first is China, second is United States, third is the this India, fourth is the Russia, and fifth is the Canada. Okay, so this is the global report. So the major player in the this public sector company in Indian fertilizer in the market are Fertilizer Corporation of India, Hindustan Fertilizer Corporation of India. So this is the some government companies. Okay, they are producing for the fertilizer products. Okay, so this is some you have to remember only 3 to 4. No issue. 3 to 4 point you have to remember it. No, it's not required for the whole points. Okay, so you just remember for 3 to 4 point the India's the first companies. Okay, fertilizer companies. So this is some companies. This is some private companies also. Okay, so some private companies, the Deepak Fertilizer and companies. Okay, so and Gujarat State Fertilizer Chemical Plant, Tata Chemical Limited. So these are some private companies. They are producing the fertilizer industry. So next point, what is the mechanism? The fertilizer is enhance the growth of the plant. Basically the fertilizer means in the enhance the growth of the plant. The plant की growth को बढ़ाती है directly. It is adaptive and provide the nutrition of the plant. Okay, it is enhanced to effective of the soil by modification its water relation in the attention. So it is a basically basically the fertilizer means enhance the growth of the plant is also affected to the our water and soil also, and our health effect could be happen. Okay, during the fertilizer we are using for that time sometime could be happen in environmental loss and soil loss and a health problem could be happen. So one by one we will move to the so the next point in the plant nutrition. There are the 16 nutrient element are the is it mandatory to the plant growth. Okay, so this is the 16 nutrition. So this green color is a mandatory, is a beneficial. So this is the yellow means this is a sodium, silicon, okay, and selenium. So this is the some points, and essential nominal means element. So this is the hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. This is the atmospheric present. Okay, basically the most important is NPK. In fertilizer industry is NPK. The N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus, and K for potassium. Okay, potassium. So this is the very important NPK. Is a major role to play in the fertilizer industry. So these are some points. You just remember it that this is a 16 element. Okay, these 16 element are important role for the fertilizer industry. So some element we have to remember: boron, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, magnesium, calcium, okay, molybdenum, and nickel, zinc, cobalt, iron, manganese, copper. So this is some uh, element is there. Okay, next point. So this is the important point. See the total of the 16 element nutrition. So three are micronutrition from the air and water. That means carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. This is the atmospheric air. Okay, the carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. This is the three micronutrients. And 13 and micronutrients from the soils. This is the air, and this is the soil. So see, three primary nutrients: the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. This is very important. This is the primary requirement of the fertilizer. The secondary requirement: calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. So secondary requirement is the calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. And 7 micronutrients: this is the iron, magnesium, zinc, copper, boron, molybdenum, and this is the chromium, chlorine. So this is the 7 macro. So please remember for this part there are the 16 essential nutrition element. The three are air, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and three are nutrition from the soil. Is the basically the very important is nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And secondary nutrition is the calcium, magnesium, and sulfur, and rest of the 7 micro nutrient. So this is the 78% in nitrogen in our atmospheric. So this is very important role play for the fertilizer industry. So the NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So is the healthy, strong roots, and the healthy growth throughout the plant. So this is the health of the fertilizer industry. So there is a classification of fertilizer. This is the organic fertilizer and inorganic fertilizer. This is synthetic fertilizer. So organic fertilizer, this is animal wastage. Animal wastage, there's a curd, okay. So plant waste from the agriculture, worm costing. So this is the some organic fertilizer. We are using all the fertilizer that is when inorganic fertilizer means nitrogen fertilizer and phosphorus and potassium. So these three fertilizer are using for the inorganic, and this is the organic fertilizer. Single nutrient straight fertilizer, they consist of only one nutrient component. It is consist of only one nutrient. It is consist of the two or more nutrient consist the multi nutrient fertilizer. So their question is asking simple is what is the single nutrient and what is the multiple nutrient. Multiple nutrient means two elements are mixed together. So and the final outcome is coming of order. The final nutrient is came. So this is the multi nutrient fertilizer or single fertilizer. This is single fertilizer. Example is the potassium, okay, and nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. So the main raw material, the nitrogen source, okay, natural gas CH4, okay, then air is N2. These two are mixed in the NH3, in ammonia. They find out. And the phosphorus, the raw material, sulfur, coal, and phosphorus rock. So this is the raw material of the phosphorus. Then the potassium chloride. Okay, so this is the raw material of the potassium chloride. The secondary nutrient are added some fertilizer to help make them the more effective. The calcium is obtained from the limestone. Okay, calcium is the obtained. Calcium हम कहाँ से मिलता है हमें? The field the limestone से. Magnesium dolomite से. Okay, magnesium where we got find out or this is dolomite. And sulfur is another material that is the mined and added to the fertilizer. Okay, so sulfur is also same thing. So the nitrogen fertilizer component, the main basically process is the Haber process. So Haber process, the Haber is one scientist. So this is this is the find out for the ammonia, the process, the nitrogen and hydrogen, the combination of the hydrogen and nitrogen, they find out this NH3 in ammonia. This is the temperature is between the 400 to 500 degrees Celsius, and the megapascal of the pressure is the 15 to 25 megapascals. Okay, so we are giving for the pressure. So air pressure, the 15 to 25 megapascal, and we are heating is the 400 to 500 degrees Celsius. Then the Haber process is going on. So this is the scientist. These two scientists are done with the process, the Haber process. So this is the Haber process. So ammonia find out. See, this is the Haber process. The heat exchanger we find out the N2 and H2. Okay, nitrogen and hydrogen. the feed gas is going for this is the process. So the reactor and compressor, they are going to the hot water and condensations. After that, they are find out the ammonia gas. So the phosphorus fertilizer component, it is isolate phosphorus from the phosphate rock. It is the related with the sulfuric acid and producing the atmospheric acid. Some of the material is react with the further with the sulfuric acid and nitric acid. So sulfuric acid and nitric acid we also produce from the this manufacturing area. So this is different process of the sulfuric acid and nitric acid production. So these two are combination. Then we find out the phosphorus. Potassium fertilizer is component in the this can be reduced the metal by the reaction of the metallic sodium at the 850 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is the process of the potassium. Then sodium we added with the NaCl and this find out the potassium. So this is the two method. Okay, first is the granulation and second one is the blending. Okay, so this process, these two process to find out the we got for the phosphorus, potassium and nitrogen. So the next point is the very important, the health hazard at the worker. So it is important. The ammonia gases. The ammonia are directly exposed to the vapor. Okay, so what could be happen? The coughing problem and nose and throat irritation. Okay, so this is the basically problem could be happen. And airway restriction, the respiratory tract is a disease could be happen. So the skin and eye also problem could be happen. So the threshold limit is 25 ppm and IDLH value is 300 ppm and STEL is the 35 ppm. So please remember for the this limit is very important. Before you working for the this area, you have to check out for the threshold limit and this limit could be happen. Okay, so the threshold limit and the short term exposure limit. The STEL, the full form is the short term exposure limit. Okay, and the IDLH full form, immediately dangerous to health. Okay, immediately dangerous to life or health. So this is the 300 ppm. So ammonia gases. Wait, once again, the hazard in ammonia gases. So this hazard in ammonia gases, this is the colorless gas. Exposed is the heated. Okay, then the corrosive respiratory tract is directly affected in our respiratory tract in the very toxic material, a toxic element. The cause is the server the skin burn and eye damage. So this is the hazard. So effect of the inhalation. So the first is effect inhalation, server irritation and nose and throat problem. Okay, then there is a pulmonary some problem could be happen. Okay, then next point, effect of the skin burn and ammonia gas cause the frostbite. Okay, frostbite could be happen. This is the skin contact directly. Then effect of the eye contact, the burning of eye. So this burning of eye, irritation of the eye. So the redness of the eye and some problem could be happen for the eye. The health hazard in the workplace in the phosphate inhalation of dust or mist. So kidney damage directly is effect on the kidney damage. And the NOx in the airway inhalation, okay, and chronic asthma, nitrogen. And NOx the full form is the oxide of the nitrogen. This is the NOx the full form is the nitrogen dioxide. Okay. It is the oxide of the nitrogen. So it is oxide of nitrogen directly affected in the airway insulation. So what safety precautions should be taken? The mechanism and automation of the process, enclosure and heat insulation of the plant, effect in the general ventilation and local exhaust ventilation should be installed. Use PPE, personal protective clothing equipment. Okay, rubber gloves you should be used. Respiratory, you should check the SCABA self-contained breathing. If you're going to confined space, you have to use for the self-contained breathing apparatus. Training of the health education of the worker, mock drill and medical surveillance. Medical surveillance, you have the medical checkup. So this is the next point, the site layout of the plant layout. So what should be you taken for this safety precaution. If 30 meter apart in the greater spacing, 30 meter spacing you should be give for the one machine to another machine in this fertilizer industry. In additional main processing in the unit, the site layout include the following items: the storage of the raw material and product, tank farm and warehouses. So it is maintained, and maintenance of the workshop also, store of the maintenance operating supplies also. You have to every day you check, and this every day you inspect this area. Laboratory process, what is the quality control check? Okay, fire situation, emergency exit you should be installed. Some utilities you should be installed. Okay, effluent disposal plant. Okay, ETP to be installed for the nearby area, the wastewater treatment and solid and liquid water treatment to plant. Okay, and office and general administration you should be installed in the where in the canteen area is the in hygiene area. Okay, hygiene, you should be hygiene for the canteen area. Canteen area is very harmful for this materials. So this medical surveillance means pre-medical examination. Candidate with the history of the bronchial and asthma. Okay, we are using for the medical treatment is the asthma. So the pulmonary function test. Okay, audiometry you should be checked. So this is some pre-medical tested. Next point. So medical surveillance, periodic medical examination. Once again, frequent half yearly and PTF means pulmonary function test you should be checked. Next point in the blood toxic, blood carbon and carbon monoxide you should be checked for this. Then environmental effect in the water, soil and atmosphere. So the water effect is the highly water insoluble of the nitrate lead is the increased run of the surface water. So surface water का problem create करेगा, as well as the quenching the groundwater pollution also. So nitrate level is above 10 milligram. Okay, means 10 ppm in groundwater can be caused in the blue baby. Okay, blue baby syndrome. So blue baby syndrome. See, this is the blue baby syndrome. The blues. Okay, could be happen for the blue warning time. The blue baby. The water pollution and its health effect. So the kidney failure, improper metal and physical growth. Okay, so this is some hair loss, skin disease, cadmium toxics associated. So some toxic material they are directly affected in our body's skin and this respiratory tract. So this is the some wait. So next point, the water pollution and its health effect in the human. First is arsenic, toxic anemia, and CVS disease. CVS का full form, the CVS full form is the cyclic vomiting syndrome. The cyclic vomiting syndrome, this disorder that causes sudden rapid attack in called the episode. The means directly is affected on your nervous system. Okay, so then directly this CVC, the full form is cyclic vomiting syndrome. The cyclic vomiting syndrome. Okay. The next point is the CNS is directly affected in your bodies. Okay. So this is the CNS, the full form, central nervous system disorder. Central nervous system. This is directly what could be happen. So this is the addiction. Okay, and asthma. Okay, and this is different this is directly affecting our respiratory tract. So inhalation problem. So this is nervous system directly be enzyme problem. Okay, so some health effect indirectly the nervous system directly be affected. Then next is the lead and lower the intelligence of the young children. So next point is the cognitive function. So the cognitive disorder are the category in the mental health disorder. That means the mental health disorder. Okay, that is the primarily affected in the what is the primarily affected in cognitive. So this is the first stage is the memory loss. Learning, if someone reading, then he is not memorized to all time. Sometime anemia could be happen. Okay, anemia could be happen. So this is some medical words. So this cognitive function is the basically is the memory loss of this is mental health disorder. Okay, so it's the slow poison of the future generation. धीरे 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 आपके मेंटल में प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होते जाएंगे, मींस डायरेक्टली आपकी भूलने की बीमारी आपको होते जाएगी. Okay, sometime you have to saw and again you have if I can ask, you don't know what is happened this side, so भूलने की बीमारी. So the soil problem, the soil in the soil is also the affected in our, we have to decompose in the this nitrogen, phosphorus and chemical. So this will, so also the soil is the wastage, soil problem could be happen. So this next point, the next point, atmosphere, the increasing of the nitrogen fertilizer. So nitrogen oxide, the greenhouse gas, this is the effect. That this is the third number. Okay, first is the indirectly affected in the carbon monoxide and methane, and after that this is the greenhouse gases effect for the effect. This is third reason of the greenhouse gases. The first is the methane, carbon dioxide, then this is the nitrous oxide. So they also increase the global warming. Potential is 296 times larger than the equal mass of the carbon monoxide. So this is very harmful for our atmospheric. This is a nitrous oxide. So this is the fertilizer industry. Okay, so this is the correct way for the safety precautions should be taken in this atmospheric. This is not correct way. Okay, this is, he is not applying for the gloves and respiratory. Okay, so this is your nitrogen, please. So I quick brief I am giving for your what is the fertilizer. Okay, so this is a fertilizer is material in the natural and synthetic origin. Okay, so this is, there are two type of the organic fertilizer and inorganic fertilizer. So organic fertilizer, there's animal wastage. Okay, and inorganic, the sodium, potassium, and sodium. So basically sodium, potassium and phosphorus. This is inorganic. So this is the plant nutrition. There are 16 nutrition elements are essential to the plant growth. So these are 16 elements. After these 16 elements, there are basically important point is the nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So this is the 3 micronutrient. Please remember, from the air, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and 13 micronutrients from the soils. इस soils में आपके मिलते हैं. So first is 3 primary nutrient is mandatory: nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Secondary is the calcium, magnesium and sulfur. Please remember this point is very important, and you have to give for the hazard. So this NPK. So what is the nitrogen? Is the healthy place. Next is the storage roots. The P for K for the healthy growth. Okay. So this potassium. So this is the classification of the fertilizer. This is organic and inorganic. So inorganic means animal wastage, and inorganic means nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So this is the process of this. So this is the Haber process. You have to remember how to find out the ammonia, NH3. Next point, you remember for the directly this ammonia, the health hazard in the workplace of the ammonia. What could be happen in your health? Okay, so the coughing, nose throat problem, airway problem, breathing problem. Okay, and arise in this directly anemia could be happen. So this is a very important point, that ELV, STL, short-term exposure limit, immediate dangerous life or health. Okay, so 300 ppm threshold limit value 25 ppm parts per million. So this is hazard could be happen for the ammonia gases. Same thing. So this skin contact, eye contact. Okay. So next point is the inhalation of the ammonia. So this sort of problem, pulmonary problem. Then next skin problem, burning of eyes. So this is the some health problem. Same thing. This is the potassium, phosphate. So kidney problem. Okay. Orthoprosis problem. So nitrogen oxide, airway problem. Okay. So this asthma problem. So what safety precautions should be? General safety precautions should be give general ventilation and exhaust ventilation should be provided, personal protective equipment, training to health surveillance. Okay, so mechanism. So this health surveillance will also provide, and every 30 meter apart from the getting space in the net to the hazardous process. 30 meter is the process unit are normally spaced in at least 30 meter. It should be give for this is a standard from the 1948 schedule. The medical surveillance, you have to check the pulmonary function test, PFT, and audiometry, and this is the CV, the water. And the next point is the environmental loss, the water, soil, and atmosphere. So, if this is the blue baby problem syndrome, okay. Next point for the water solution. So, this is the problem, CVS disorder, and CNS disorder. So, this is the your fertilizer industry. The CVS disorder means cyclic vomiting syndrome. Okay, this is the CNS is central nervous system syndrome. Okay, so these two type of could happen in your bodies. So in cognitive means directly it is a mental effect of your minds. So आपको directly भूलने की बीमारी हो जाएगी इससे. So this is some problem, and this is directly, and last one is the atmospheric problem. So atmospheric problem is directly affected in our greenhouse gases. So nitrous oxide, N2O. So is actually affected of the our atmospheric of the greenhouse gases. So these are the main cause of greenhouse gases. Is the first is methane, second one is the carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and last one is the your third one is the your nitrous oxide. So this is the your fertilizer industry. So you just remember for the what is the fertilizer industry as per your examination purpose. Okay. So what is the fertilizer industry? What